Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to fix NFC not working on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll through the available options and tap on Screen Time. After opening Screen Time, scroll down until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it to continue. Now tap on Allowed Apps and Features. You'll see different apps and features that can be enabled or disabled. Scroll down and find the Wallet app. If Wallet is disabled, enable it. This can help if NFC-related features aren't working because Wallet access has been restricted. Now go back to the main settings page and scroll down to Wallet. Open Wallet and add your payment card if you haven't already. If NFC is still not working, go back to Settings and tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your iPhone. After the reset is completed, check whether NFC is working again. And that's how you can try to fix NFC not working on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.